Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into the world of keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. Keyframes are an essential tool for creating smooth and dynamic motion in your video projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, understanding keyframes will take your video editing skills to the next level. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the practical aspects, let's first understand what keyframes are. In Adobe Premiere Pro, keyframes are used to mark specific points on the timeline where changes occur. These changes could be related to position, scale, rotation, opacity, and more. By manipulating keyframes, you have precise control over how your video elements evolve over time. Now, let's talk about adding keyframes. I'll walk you through the steps to add keyframes to different properties. Whether it's adjusting the position of a clip, changing the scale, or tweaking the opacity, adding keyframes is the foundation for creating engaging and dynamic visuals in your videos. Editing keyframes is where the magic happens. I'll demonstrate how to move, copy, and delete keyframes, allowing you to refine your animations with precision. Understanding the various editing options will give you full control over the timing and smoothness of your animations. To add a natural and fluid feel to your animations, it's crucial to grasp the concept of Bezier curves and easing. I'll show you how to use the graph editor to manipulate curves, giving your movements a more organic and professional look. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques. From creating complex animations using the Effects control panel to utilizing expressions for more intricate motion, we'll push the boundaries of what you can achieve with keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in unlocking the full potential of this powerful feature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.